Hello everyone, this is Vaibhav Vilas Yadav and I'm 2013 batch passed out from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. I'm very thankful of electrical department who gives me this opportunity to share my experience on this stage. Presently, I'm working in MAN Energy Solutions in Augsburg, Germany, and this is the first diesel engine manufacturing company, and these engines are used for the power generation and for the big ships. So the journey to reach this stage, it was quite interesting to me and I would like to share with all of you. I come from the middle class family and my father is working as a instrumentation engineer in government PSU in RCF Ltd, which is manufacturing the fertilizers. So in the beginning I was also confused to choose this branch, electrical branch, as my career branch, because lot of people says okay, there is a scope in mechanical or in IT or computer, but I choose my branch as electrical in my career. So I would like to tell you guys, there are a lot of opportunities in the market, only you have to explore those and you have to study in the market in which fields you can work actually. I would also like to give you one advice in the beginning when you are study phase, that when you study in the college, do not study for the marks or for the money when you do the job. You have to study for the knowledge. The electrical is the stream in which you can get perfect when you have the perfect knowledge. Some people says okay, the whatever you study in the college time, it's not useful knowledge when you are in the job, but I would say it's not correct. You have to study for your knowledge, and by using this knowledge you will see in your future jobs there are a lot of things coming to you with all the subjects like control system, like power system, electrical machines. For example, when you study the alternator or for the transformer, at that time you will see the knowledge of electrical machines will come to you. Then when you study the AVR, like automatic voltage regulators, or in the power generation, there you will see you have to know the things which you study in the college like control system. In my case, when I start my job, when I finish my college life, at that time I was not got placed from the college, so I entered in the market, and then I start studying for the MSCB exams or for the GATE exams to crack these exams and to get the job, but I was not successful at that time. Then in the beginning I got the job in Pidilite company, which is the very famous company, and I got the job over there as a maintenance or as apprentice in the beginning, and they gave me the opportunity to get permanent. But I was not happy with this job, and then I start searching for the job in the design, but it was very difficult to get the job in the design for me in the beginning. But I keep searching, and I was not successful. Then I start my job in the sugar industry. There I get lot of knowledge there, and I would like to tell you guys, there is no job which will not teach you. So you have to gain the knowledge in any kind of job. I start my career with cleaning the batteries, cleaning the motors, and now I'm at the stage where I can do the complete power plant commissioning. So the thing which I want to tell you, that in sugar industry also I got to learn the most of the things of electrical, like synchronization, power control, and then the power factor control, what is power actually. So I would like to tell you guys, just start with the job whatever you get and then gain the knowledge of electrical from it. So after searching the jobs after this sugar industries, I got the opportunity to work with the Kotmak Electronics, which is the system house of Siemens, and there I learned the PLC and SCADA systems and the instrumentation things. So then I learned the commissioning of the plants. I work in the steel industries, I work in the cement industries. There also we have done the automation part. And there was also one more customer for our Cotmac Electronics. It was MN Energy Solutions, and I worked with them around 2 years for the power plant commissioning. And then it was the time to switch the company, so I switched the company and I joined the Kalyani Forge as a project engineer. But during this time I got the call from the MN Energy Solutions to work in the Augsburg, and then I joined in MN Energy Solutions. So I would like to tell you guys, I have not done any kind of master's degree or anything after the graduation education, but only I have got the knowledge from the college days, from the Zeal Education Society and the degree from Pune University. On this basis only I am here now in Germany and in working in the one of the big firm. So during this time I got rejected from many big firms like Vanderland, TCS, Wipro, Honeywell, Emerson, and in the design field also like Motherson Sumi, Nilsoft. But you know guys, interviews always tell you how deep you are in the knowledge of their company field. So do not hesitate to give the interviews even if you are failed. Then also no matter, but you will gain some knowledge and you will know how deep you are in your electrical knowledge. I would like to tell you some of the areas where the electrical engineers can work, just to get you the idea in the market where and which kind of jobs are available for you guys. So the first one is the maintenance, in which any kind of big companies like cement industry, the steel industries and the sugar industries, there you can do the maintenance kind of jobs. Second one is the PLC, SCADA, automation and the projects, where the big firms like TCS, Wipro, L&T, Siemens, Honeywell, ABB, Emerson, Sterling and Wilson, and their system houses like Cotmac, Virtuoso, Vanderland, etc. Then we have some switchgear companies like ABB, Siemens, L&T, and also small suppliers of these switchgears. Then the alternator manufacturers, in which the ABB, Siemens, Indar, where they make the electrical machines. Then we have the transformer manufacturers. Then we have the protection studies like Siemens, DIF, Schneider, Omicron. Then we have the CTPT manufacturers, MMU manufacturers, AVR manufacturers. Then we have the power generation sectors like turbine manufacturers, engine manufacturers, which are the core industries who are used to generate the electricity. And I would like to tell you guys, all these companies are available in the India. So try to search for these industries, explore the market and know your interest in which field you want to work actually, and then you can go for the job. And this is the phase only in the during the study that you can find the more and more companies and to know your interest in which field you want to work. So in my future I have started the protection studies, in which we study the electrical machines and the protections for these electrical machines like alternator protection system and the transformers protection systems. And also I am exploring and improving my qualities for the management skills so that I can switch for the management level. If you guys are really interested, you can also search for these protection studies in the market, and if you are interested you can study for this also. And when you will have this knowledge of the market and the interest in which you want to work, then you can approach to your teachers or your campus and you can tell them, okay, we are interested in this industries, and college will always help you to bring this company in the campus. But first you should know in which area or in which industries you have the opportunities to work. Nevertheless, there are a lot of more things to share with you guys. I have tried to share in this short time, and I wish you all the best. I hope the information will be helpful for you guys. If you need any kind of support from me, you can contact me, and I will also try to stay connected with this by such programs arranged by our college. And once again, I would like to say thanks to electrical department of our college, who plays a very precious role in my career. Thank you so much. Best regards from me. Goodbye.